Good morning and welcome to another exciting episode of the Weekly Rally. To get things started, as you may know, last week, our dedicated volleyball team showcased their determination and skills at the regional competition. They not only secured the regional championship by defeating Fort Collins High School, but earned themselves a ticket to the state competition this weekend. Our sports team spent a few minutes with them as they get ready.
What are your guys' names?
I'm Maddie, I'm an outside.
I'm Ella, I'm libero. Moment fun this season.
Definitely winning regionals.
Mine's gonna be when we all went to Spirit Halloween after practice and got our shipwrecked outfits because it was really fun.
How does this feel being your last high school season?
It's kind of sad, but it's really exciting.
I think it's really sad. It's like the end of an era because we played together for like a lot of years. Like me and Maddie played for 8 years together, but it's exciting to move on to the next thing.
How does it feel to be going to state?
It's really exciting since we didn't get to go last year.
It's really exciting. Be there Thursday, 11 a.m. Don't go to class. Come to state, Denver Coliseum.
Next, we jump back to Artist Spotlight. This week, as the team shifts focus to a different type of artwork that is found in cooking classes. Let's see what they discovered.
We started quick breads yesterday, and so we are in our quick bread unit. Today we made salted caramel snickerdoodles. On Thursday, Friday, we're gonna make biscuits and gravy. And then next week, they are going to be making pumpkin bread from scratch, and they're going to get pie pumpkins and make the pumpkin puree out of like a fresh pumpkin too.
Okay, what goes into making quick breads?
Quick breads, you use a chemical leavener, so that means that they rise fastly or quickly. When we come back from Thanksgiving, they'll be doing yeast breads, and they will have to make the dough, let it rise overnight, and then work with it the next day.
Thanksgiving is less than 2 weeks away, and the Hot Topic crew wants to know about your favorite Thanksgiving meal. Let's see what they found out.
Who am I here with? Ariana. And what's your favorite Thanksgiving food and why?
Mashed potatoes, because I'm Swedish, and in Sweden, it's a very big Thanksgiving.
That's really cool.
Riley.
And what is your favorite Thanksgiving food and why?
My favorite Thanksgiving food is probably stuffing because it just has such a unique taste and it's always just so satisfying to eat.
I agree.
On today's episode of Subject Swapped, we finally have Mr. Cease from the Spanish department in the hot seat. Enjoy.
What is the longest side of a right triangle called?
It's called the hypotenuse.
Yep. How many years did the 100-year war last?
100 years?
Nope, 116. Why is pi written as a fraction?
I have zero clue.
You're too good. It's 22 over 7.
Of course, 22 over 7.
What is Newton's third law of motion?
If you throw something up in the air and it comes down at the exact same speed.
No.
No.
For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction.
Pretty sure that's what I just said.
Well, you said if you throw something in the air, it comes down at the same speed, but it doesn't.
And finally, last week, the Main Stage Theater Company at RVHS put on the play The Curious Savage. Our Ralston review team was there to show off the talent of the amazing actors and backstage crew. Let's take a look.
We think it'd be better for all involved the shorter we make it. She's vindictive.
For some reason, Doctor, she holds me responsible.
Something recent?
I wouldn't say so.
She's always given money to foolish causes.
Would you mind being more specific?
Thousands of school children around the globe.
Why?
She said they ought to go around the world while they're so lucky.
Stop.
Well, that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it. Of course, thank you to our amazing guests who shared their stories and expertise with us today. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired, and stay tuned for more weekly rally content. Have a great weekend, Ralston Valley.